There is a list of some common words given for learning of vocabulary and spelling in our Class 1 English textbook, My English World. In this video, let us learn names of birds with proper spelling and pronunciation. Before entering to the content, don't forget, please subscribe to this channel. Names of the birds: hen, 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 parrot, 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 eagle, 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 peacock, 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 duck, 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 sparrow, 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 crow, crow, swan, swan, cuckoo, cuckoo, pigeon, 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 owl, owl, crane, 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 woodpecker, 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 hummingbird, 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 rooster, rooster, goose, goose. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.